Hey everyone, this is cabin 10410. This is an aft-facing balcony. They just call these deluxe balconies. It doesn't have a special booking number, if you will. It's just called a deluxe balcony like the rest of the deluxe balconies, but it is in the back of the ship. So you have great views out the back. And so, yeah, for those who love aft balconies, this might be for you. And as you can see, it's a huge balcony on top of that. It is also, as you can see, completely covered and protected. King size bed, or two twins if you have them separated. Nice padded headboard. There's USB power up underneath the silver things. Two nightstands. Across from the bed, nice big mirror. Your TV's a little off to the left, but it swivels if you want to be watching it from the bed. There's a nice sofa here that can convert to be a bed in most cases. Across from that, again, you saw the TV, telephone. There's 5 drawers here. There's a little table you can move, a bench, a mini bar or cooler, some shelves. From a power standpoint, you have 2 US, 2 USB, and down here, 2 European. Over by Lisa is the closet. There's hanging on this side. And then on this side is your safe, some shelves, and some drawers. Let's go look at the bathroom. Bathroom is a generous size, especially I like the toilet. Whether you're tall and or fluffy, plenty of width, plenty of legroom. I'm 6'4", I'm very comfortable on the toilet. Nice corner sink and corner mirror, makeup mirror. There's some shelves, nice size shower as well. So plenty of space in there. So there you go. There's your deluxe balcony, but again, aft facing. We'll see you on the next one. Ciao.